The Drone Racing Africa Junior Course is a 2-day event where kids from ages of 8 to 16 and all levels of experience learn all about the wonderful world of drones and drone racing. They start with some theory and soon move on to the fun stuff. The simulators are where some of them get their first experience with flying drones. The beginners usually start with line of sight, and the more advanced kids use the FPV or first-person view goggles. After this, they get an adrenaline rush and experience a taste of what it is like to race a real racing drone, while they get an FPV experience from a real racing drone pilot. For some, it will be their first experience with FPV goggles. Then the real fun starts. They get to fly their own drones all by themselves. These are micro drones that fit into the palm of your hand, called the Inductrix. They use similar controllers used for the simulators, and the kids will first start flying using line of sight. The looks on some of their faces are priceless. Luckily, these drones are quite resilient. Once they're confident enough, they will move on to flying the racing course using FPV goggles and an Inductrix drone mounted with a small camera. It's where technology meets sport, allowing children to just have a whole lot of fun. Now they can fly as if they're inside the cockpit of the drone. And this is what drone racing is all about. It's where technology meets sport, allowing children to just have a whole lot of fun, while learning something new and useful, and in the process making friends with similar interests.
It's fun, it's really cool.
Being able to fly the drone with the goggles on, that's the best thing ever.
Get your kids signed up today. Go to droneracingafrica.com for our next event.